Jamaica plans to source vehicles from Nigeria, High Commissioner. It is a tremendous opportunity to witness vehicle manufacturing taking place here in Nigeria, which is one of our brothers in the south.
Oh, it is indeed an important opportunity for me to come here to witness this great exercise that is taking place here in Nigeria. Because in Jamaica, we are mainly used to vehicle manufacturing taking place in the traditional countries, but it is a tremendous opportunity for us to witness vehicle manufacturing taking place here in Nigeria, which is one of our brothers in the south. So it is an opportunity to be able to discuss commercial opportunities for sourcing vehicles from Nigeria.
The Jamaican High Commissioner to Nigeria, Esmond Reed, says his country was planning to source for vehicles from Inosan Vehicles Manufacturing, IVM, in Nigeria. Mr. Reed, in the company of Nigeria's Minister of Foreign Affairs, Geoffrey Onyema, made this known during a facility tour of IVM plant in Nnewi, Anambra State on Saturday. The Minister of Foreign Affairs, H.E. Geoffrey Onyema, in the company of the High Commissioner of Nigeria to Jamaica, Esmond Reed, paid a courtesy visit to the Inosan Vehicle Manufacturing Factory in Nnewi, Anambra State, February 11, 2023. On arrival to Nnewi on the 11th of February, they paid homage to the King of Nnewi, Igwe Kenneth Arizu III, in his palace at Otolo, Nnewi. At a warm reception at the palace, the Vice Chairman of the Cabinet, Chief Nanya Lugo, spoke on the monarch's peaceful reign of almost 6 decades and said that the business relationship between Nigeria and Jamaica is a welcomed step towards development. The traditional ruler added that Jamaicans are our African brothers, and they are highly welcome to the city of Nnewi, the Japan of Africa.